Profile templates in NetDocuments are an easy way to memorize the fields for when you're profiling a document so that you don't have to fill them out repetitively. To do so, we're going to use the NetDocuments web portal to assist us in creating a profile template. We'll go to the button for Add in the web portal, and we're going to choose Upload. Now, while we're not really going to be uploading a document into NetDocuments, we're going to use this so that we can get the profile fields and create the template, and then we'll cancel out of saving the document. I'm going to select the document, and then I'm going to choose Edit Profile and Tags. Next, we're going to fill out the fields that we want to memorize. Keep in mind that anything that you type in any of the profile attribute fields is going to be memorized by the template. The only one that will not be memorized is the document name. As a general rule of thumb, it's not normally recommended that you have the template memorize the client or the matter fields as part of your template. Normally, you'll find fields that are conducive to document profile templates are things that are regarding the comments, additional fields, like if, for example, if you have a field for PII or author or typist or other things, you can simplify this by filling them out ahead of time and then asking NetDocuments to memorize them. Some clients will use this for memorizing maybe the information for a particular person or adding extra information into a comments field without having to reproduce it every time they want to save a document. As an example, I'm going to change my document type here to research and add a comment that I frequently add for research documents. Next, I'm going to click on the link that says Save as Template. Here I'll give the template a name. Please keep in mind that you are limited to 20 characters, which includes the spaces for the name. We'll click OK, and our template is saved. At this point, I don't need to save anything else. I was only using this to get to these fields so I could modify and create the template. If you ever need to delete or modify a template, all you have to do is get right back to the same area using the same process we just did and go up here to Profile Templates, which will allow you to rename a template or delete a template. Now let's see how this works in action. To be able to see this in action, I first need to log out of NetDocuments from the web portal, and then I'll log back in. Let's head over to Microsoft Word and test this out. Remember, this would work from anywhere you're trying to save something into NetDocuments. Here I have my document. I'm going to click the Save As button in Microsoft Word, which will prompt us to save it through ND Office into NetDocuments. Next, I'm going to browse to the client and matter where I want to save my document. Now that I've selected the client and matter where I want to save this and the document type, I can very simply go up to my profile templates and choose Training Project. When I do, it's going to fill in the profile fields, including the comments field, with my pre-selected information, and now all I have to do is worry about naming the document. That's how a profile template can save you a lot of time, is to fill out fields that you frequently have to change manually and turning it into an automated process.